DAZA. Today it's Saturday, 13th of August. The customer, he brought me the engine block, piece connecting rods, and a couple of other stuff. I don't remember, I have it up there. All the new stuff, all the new parts. Pooh, sorry. Then here, the fuel injectors was here with me. I found the fuel injectors, I put them in place. I fixed this temporary stand, at least to have a contrast behind and to don't try to remove my eyes to see what's written there. Something's that, right? So, measuring its combustion chamber to see the volume. Let's see. I hope to be fine. I'm gonna get the marker, I'm gonna write on the table. Let's see. These are the spark plugs that are gonna be on the engine. That's the fuel injector that are gonna be on the engine. This hatch supposed to be exact on the engine. We're gonna be mounted the cylinder head. Let's see the results. Take a look, my luck. My stupid luck. It went up to 37 ml. Now it goes for the 38. Okay? And something is stuck and it's dropping one drop. It's wide open, but something's stuck there. Dang it, that's why I have... yeah, before I block it, I have this cap and I'm blocking it here up so don't fall anything inside. It's not enough. And I said screw it, I'm not gonna wash it, I'm gonna put the fluid inside, I'm gonna use it like that. Yeah, how smart. Take a look how it's dropping. To stop it now, I have to clean the combustion chamber completely to be dry. I have to empty it, I have to clean it. I'm gonna do it when I'm gonna go to the number 2. Now, okay, I'm gonna wait a couple of minutes, right? By the way, somebody mentioned about something the last time that I did that for the Vaseline. The Vaseline, it's one very light of film on the surface. It's not affecting the combustion chamber inside. It never enters inside the Vaseline. It's just only to seal the plexiglass. Nothing more, nothing less. You don't see anywhere. And even if it enters, let us say, it's gonna be 0.1 ml, that it's not even measurable. It is, but okay. Take a look. At least looks like that I give the correct tilt. It's 0.4 degrees. Let's see. Alright, it looks like it's 42.4. Yeah, I'm gonna leave to finish. Take a look how it goes. The time that I need to fill up this chamber, I'm gonna finish all the rest. Yeah, come on, yeah, you can do it. There is only one piece of fiber that's stuck there inside. I don't know if you can see. And it's blocking the hole. It's not here, the restriction, it's here. Lovely. How much is this now? 2, 4, 6. 6, yeah, it's almost done. Yeah. Let's wait to fill it up completely. Okay. Finish. It's 50 ml. 50 ml. Okay, let's pass to the second one. Now it's supposed to flow beautiful. Alright, at 0 mark. I'm waiting another one clamp to come down here like this one. This is for a broomstick, but it's working. Anyhow, let's open. 1 second, I need both hands. It's not, I have the cable tied, it's not so stable there. Yep, if you clean it properly, it flows how it's supposed to be. Okay. Nice. I brought also new fluid. Number one was at 50 ml. Let's do number 2. My bad, my mistake. I already finished with the second one. It's 49. Also the first one is 49. There is a 46, 47, 48 and then 49. The 50 it's down here. So I make mistake, it's not a 50 ml, it's 49. Let me write it down. Number 1, number 2, 49. We're looking good. We're looking beautiful. Excellent. If all of them are like that, we are perfect. I missed the number 3 and I went to the number 4. I'm gonna go here. Oh boy. It's fine. It should be fine. That's weird. I was expecting to be also this 49. Instead of being 49, 46, 47, 48. 48 ml. 1 ml less than this and this. Let's go to see this one. How come? Okay, it's not a big deal. It's a big deal when you're going to the limit. Yes. Yeah, there, yeah. Okay. But does mean that one? This cylinder can have more compression ratio than these cylinders. Yeah, it's 1 ml, it's a drop in the ocean, yeah, but it might has an effect. But no, usually, see, if they remove more material from here and they left more material here, because it didn't touch here the tool, so that means here it's supposed to be more the volume and here it's supposed to be less. Now, but the machine is also inside here. Yeah, okay, let's go to the number 3 because I skip it to see how it looks like the third one. Let me write down the number 4. Okay, let's go to the number 3. I clean the drop from the nozzle over there, like always. Okay, 100 ml. The line. Let's measure the number 3. Number 3. It is 48.6. Here is where's the line of the 246. 48.6. The number 3. So we have 49, 49, 48.6, 48. Let's move on the last one. Once again, number 5. I clean the drop at 100 ml. Just let's open it. And the last one, 48.4. 48.4, 48, 48.6, 49, 49. So if I have to guess, let us say when you reach at the limit, from the boost, from the ignition timing, okay, and you are pushing hard the car, I believe that the number 4, it might retard by 1 degree. It will gonna be the first, let us say that it will gonna be the first cylinder that will gonna have retardation. The ECU, it can adapt, it can compensate, if you like. So when you reach at the limit and you have more compression ratio in one cylinder, this will gonna be the first one that will gonna start retarding. This will gonna be the first one that will gonna start running a little bit more hot than the rest. So the ECU is supposed to retard, let us say 1 degree, and is supposed to add more fuel. That's what I believe. Number 4 obviously has to do with the piston to cylinder wall clearance, has to do with the piston ring gap. It has to be the same. It will gonna be the same. Yep, that's it for now. Nothing more today. Today it's Saturday. I have to go outside to continue with some other cars. So let me clean this mess, brake cleaner here, to clean it and wrap again the cylinder head and storage in it until it comes the time for installation. Thank you very much. Have a nice weekend. By the way, you like the filler cage? Just to give the correct tilt. It's an aluminum bracket here. That's it. Thank you. Now, by the way, I use Vaseline, Mercedes transmission fluid, 236.15, new bottle, and that's it. Thank you.